Okay. Yesterday I went to the scrap yard and got some fog lights out of a Beetle and the bumper and everything. It's kind of aggravating to get out, and I don't know how much I'm going to use of it, but I'm going to try to take and cut holes in mine grill and reuse my same grill, because I don't want to have to repaint the other one black or blue. So I'm gonna try and see what happens. Okay, I got the grill out, and I'm not going to film it. Well, I filmed it, not going to show it. It takes too much editing on the volume. And if you ever pulled a grill out of a Beetle, you know where I'm coming from. All these clips right here was locked in, and here, and it's pretty sharp. When they lock in, man. They're a pain in the rear to get out. But I got it out. Now I'm gonna try to bolt up the lights here and here, and the bottom goes there, and we'll go from there. So this one will snap right in to my housing, this little grill. I'm just going to have to trim this piece off. So I'm going to take a white paint pen and mark it and trim that out. And I may go ahead and just paint that black because it's faded all out. So I'm going to have to wash it, let it dry, and then spray it and get back to it. So I think while that's drying, after I wash it and get ready to spray, I'm going to be working on something else. And that'll be a later video. So I'll get back with you in a little bit. Okay. I don't think I'm going to paint this, but I will paint the other piece that goes over it. So I'm going to go ahead and snap this back in. Nothing wants to snap into place. Everything wants to be that tight. They just ain't my day. Must have slept too long. I think I slept about 7:30. That is kind of long for me. Sit here and I get up 5 o'clock every morning, sometimes 4:30, 4 o'clock. May have to keep in some of these kind of help pop them in place. But I already see I'm going to have to trim this a little bit. I think. May not be, maybe I don't have to. I should have painted it. I see a little silver popping through, but oh, a couple of these tabs of throat. Yeah, I'm going to put the heat gun on it. Trying to find it. Can y'all see that? See if I can twist you a little bit. There we go. Take a little heat. Pop right in. I'm debating to paint this black because on the original one, the end piece is a silver. Mine's black because mine's part of this too. If I paint this blue, these gonna be blue. These is black. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna paint them blue. I'm gonna paint that blue. And this hole, I don't know what to do about it. Probably nothing. I do need to fix this. Let me plug my heat gun, my soldering gun back in. Okay. Size mounting pretty easy. That could be a bad sign also. I know I'm in your way. Let me rearrange you. Making sure that was the right hand side. If it wasn't, it wouldn't bolt up. I'm telling y'all, man, I woke up too late. See if y'all see it. I had to do some hot gluing on this too, as far as melting it back together. Then I put hot glue on top of it. May do the same on the other side. Okay, that one's in. And all the bolts was on this one, so I don't have to do no zip tying. That's a little rough looking, but those are actually glass. They're not glass, they're not plastic. You'll have to excuse the way I talk. I got a mouthful of metal. Had for last year, got another year to go. If all turns out good. This is the one I'm going to have to put some zip ties on to help hold it in. I don't like the way that's screwing in either, but it's there. There it is. I didn't put enough hardener in the paint because I was mixing such a small amount of paint. So, got one little ripple in it. Right there. Where I touched it, trying to push it in. But I think it turned out pretty good. See if I can get it where y'all can see it. Yeah, there's that hole. So, looks pretty good. Looks better than the bumper, that's for sure. Alright, see y'all next time.